Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. We are going to start our next semester, second semester. The first lesson is our neighborhood. The name of our lesson is our neighborhood. What is neighborhood? The area around our house is called our neighborhood. हमारे घर के आसपास जगह को neighborhood कहते हैं. When we come out from our house, we see many people. You meet your friends or your neighbors, isn't it? Who all are they? Yes, they are our neighbors. The people, those who stay close to our house are our neighbors. घर के पास, हमारे घर के पास में जो रहते हैं उसको पड़ोसी कहते हैं. There are some important places in our neighborhood. Can you say some of the important places of our neighborhood? Yes, park, school, post office. Yes, there are many important places are there in our neighborhood. These places help us in many ways. The places of our neighborhood are post office, school, police station, hospital, bus stop and market. Our neighborhood have many services that make our life so comfortable. Now let us learn the services that the places provide. First one is post office. Have you ever gone to a post office? Yes, we can see a big red box there. What is that box? It is called a post box. That is post box. We post letters in the post box. We can post the letters in the post box. In post office, we can send letters, telegrams, money orders and parcels from different places. What all things we can buy from the post office? Yes, we can buy stamps, inland, postcard from the post office. Then school. Why do we go to school? Yes, school is the place where we learn many things with the help of our teachers. We learn to read and write. We learn many good habits and manners. We learn to play together. We help our friends. We learn together with our friends. We learn so many things in school. Then police station. In our neighborhood we have police station also. We also have police station in our neighborhood. In police station we have police people to protect us. And also they help the people to find lost items. Next one is hospital. Hospital is the place we go when we are sick. आपका तबीयत ठीक नहीं है तो आप कहाँ जाते हैं? Yes, you go to hospital. Who all are there in hospital? In hospital we have doctors and nurses who treat us when we are sick. Hospital में doctors हमको इलाज करते हैं और nurses हमको देखभाल करते हैं. Next is bus stop. A bus stop or bus station is the place where buses arrives and depart. If you want to go by bus, where do you have to go? You have to go to bus stop. Then market. Next one is market. Market is the place we go to buy many things, isn't it? If you want to buy your bag or dress or shoes, where do you go? Yes, You go to market to buy the things. In the market we can see different kinds of shops like medical shops, then vegetable shops, like that many shops, different types of shops you can see in the market. We buy all the things from the market, isn't it? Okay, in this lesson what all things we learn? Let us revise what all things we learn. Now you can take your semester book, page number 148. Please take page number 148 and see the main points. Please look in your book and listen carefully. First point is, the places near our house make our neighborhood. हमारे घर के आसपास जगह को neighborhood बोलते हैं. We go to a post office to buy stamps. We go to schools to study. We go to a police station to find lost items. We go to a hospital when we sick. When we are sick, we go to hospital for the treatment. We wait at the bus stop to take bus. We buy things from the market. Now let us see the next question. Read and answer. A. Tick the correct pictures. You have to see the pictures and tick the correct option. We go here to buy vegetables. Where do we go to buy vegetables? Yes, we go to market to buy vegetables. We have to tick option B. 2. We go here when we are sick. Hospital and police stations. The options are A. Hospital, B. Police station. Which is the correct option? A. Tick option A. We wait here to take bus. Bus stop. Option B. Then B. Write T for true and F for false. The places that are very far from our house make our neighborhood. What is neighborhood? The places nearby our house is the neighborhood. So the answer is wrong. You have to write F. 2. Children go to school to study. True. You have to write T. We can buy stamps from a post office. Answer is true. You have to write T. We go to a police station to buy fruits. True or false? False. Write F. C. Answer these questions. First question is, name 3 places in our neighborhood. You can write any 3 places. Hospital, post office, market, any 3 you can write. Where will you go if you fall sick? We will go to a hospital if we fall sick. Then D. Think and write. You have to think and write the answer. Look at the pictures and you have to write the answers. Look at the pictures. Where will you find these people? First one is nurse. Where we can find? Hospital. You have to write the spelling of hospital there. What is the spelling of hospital? H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Then next one is picture of post box and a postman. Answer is post office. You have to write post office. Then next one is vegetables. The picture of vegetables, that is market. How to write the spelling of market? M-A-R-K-E-T. Yes, these questions A, B, C and D, please write it in your copy and learn the question answers and the true or false. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.